the Mentor. Saan si Sir Lee? Si Kuya Jojo? Sir Lee nasaan? Alam po niya ang kanta ni Sir Lee the Mentor. Parang buwag talaga si Adrian. Buwag ka talaga, Adrian! Wala dito si Sir eh. Nahanap ko tuloy. Akala ko nandiyan si Sir Lee. Akala ko hindi ko nakita na naman yung ano. Salamat ha, May Karamay Lumagda. Ate Or, always thank you. Bonnie Tyler, maganda din, magaling din si Bonnie. Heartache. It's a heartache. Ay, ba yan? Heartache, maganda din, Bonnie Tyler. Kaya mo yun, te? Heartache daw. Heartache. Pero ano yun? Maano din yan, grabe din yan si Bonnie Tyler. Heartache na yan. Ano din yan? Heartache by Bonnie Tyler. Alam niyo bang may pasok ako bukas? Alam mo?
Sino yun? Sino yun?
Ako.
Ay, ikaw. Akala ko may nagko-comment eh.
Nagkamali yung leader ko. May pasok pa rin ako bukas. Sorry sa akin. Sabi ko, bakit mo naman ginawa ako pang umaga bukas? Pang kauwi ko lang ngayong araw. Tapos bukas papasok na naman ako. Hala. Hindi
Nang oras? Nang oras bukas?
Alas 8. Alas 8. Oo. Yung husky voice. Opo, yung si Bonnie Tyler, di ba? Ayan o. Ito yung sinasabi mo, Ate O eh. Ito yun o. O, pakinggan natin. Alam ko lang. Hello. Ay, alam ni Ate ito eh. Ito ba yun? Bunso, butang! Bunso, uwi na, tulog na. Lumaki ka. Ay, and nothing but a heart. Ito yun, di ba? Ate Or. It's too late. Hindi na tayo maka-end. Hit you when you're down. It's a fool's game. And nothing but a fool's game. Yan. Standing in the cold rain. Adrian, pinapauwi ka na ni Butang. It's a heartache. And nothing but a heartache. Love him till your arms break. Let's down. Right? With love to share. With you find he doesn't care for you. Atin pa po ako, Ate Butang. Still need someone as much as I depend on you. On you. Woo! It's a heartache. Sabay kayo sa akin. Okay lang. Nothing but a heartache. On nyo yung mic nyo. Kanta kayo. Hits you when it's too late. Kung alam nyo. Hits you when you're down. It's a fool's game. Vicky! Pipsky! The full game. You're standing in the cold rain. Ate Sophia, totoong mag-ienda tayo. Baby, it's a cloud. Woo! Thank you. Ayan, maraming salamat. Pip Sky, vlog, may kalap siya out. Butang, kaya mo yan, Bunso. Tumakbo ka, mabilis, meron. Merong momo. To love to share. When you find he doesn't care for you. Woo! He don't want to need someone as much as I depend on you. On you. Woo! Alright. It's a heartache. And nothing but a heartache. Good night sa inyong lahat dyan. Love him till your arms break. Then he lets you down. Wala daw siya sapatos. Hindi makatakbo. It's starting. Feeling like nawala ko na ako. It's a heartache. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. Ayan, tatapusin na natin yung kanta. Nasanay ako siya sa reggae version. Sanayan sa kantang yan. Ayan.
My
Butang,
friend,
maraming
Butang.
salamat. Maraming
My friend,
good night po
Butang,
sa ating
hello.
lahat. Daddy Labs, thank you. Maraming salamat and good
Salamat.
night to each and everyone. Ayan.
Buso, Adrian, salamat.
Salamat sa inyong lahat dyan. And good night, Ate Glo. Bye.
Ate Glo,
Adrian,
salamat.
Jojo Vasquez, Daddy Loves, thank you. Butang, Joanne, May Karamay, or Ate Or. Basta sa lahat po nang nandiyan na 8 milyong
Joanne,
viewers
bye
yan.
Joanne.
Maraming salamat po. And good night. Arigato gozaimashita. Uyasumi na sa
Ate
inyo sa
Orly,
inyong lahat.
salamat.
Yes, good night.
Good night, guys.
Maraming salamat po. Uyasumi na sa good night to each and everyone. Babush.